Natalie, now, were you saying that this week may be hotter than last?
It's going to be very, very similar, if not a couple degrees hotter.
Okay.
So we're in for it, that's for sure.
Well, we're tough and hardened by now.
Yeah, we're used to it by now. 47
yeah.
days of this so far this summer. And this evening, another very warm one. Right now, we are still at 90 degrees. Early tomorrow morning, you'll start out your work week at 77. Clear skies for much of the morning hours, but that means temperatures will rise quickly. 95 by noon, so you can expect triple-digit temperatures again tomorrow. Now, we're not the only place that's seeing temperatures like this. If you head north, they already have heat advisories and excessive heat warnings in effect for places near the Dallas area up into Oklahoma, Arkansas, all because they expect this to last for the majority of the week. The excessive heat warning goes through Thursday of this week, meaning that heat index values could reach 110 or a couple degrees higher. We don't have any of those advisories or warnings here in the Austin area except Milam and Lampasas counties because our heat index values will reach right around 108, and we're expecting, though, our actual temperatures to be very similar to what Dallas sees. Temperatures right now across the state. Look at this: 93 in Dallas, 94 in Wichita Falls, 92 College Station, 80s out to the west where they're cooling off just a little bit cooler, higher elevation out there. A little bit closer to home right now. 91 in Llano, 88 in Georgetown, 89 in Bastrop and in Blanco, 90 in San Marcos. Same here in town at Camp Mabry. Clear skies, mostly clear. ABIA showing up a little bit cooler. I don't think it's quite that cool there, that reporting station in a bit of a valley. Wind conditions, though, very calm at this hour. They'll stay calm overnight, maybe pick up out of the south through tomorrow afternoon. And if you notice across the entire state, there's not a lot going on. We have clear skies edge to edge. That's because that high pressure has really set up, and it could even intensify over the next couple of days. So what you can expect: triple-digit temperatures, heat index values anywhere from 105 to 108. And that's not drastically higher than the actual temperature. It just takes into account the little bit of humidity that we have here in central Texas. Well, if we look a little bit further to the tropics, there are some things we're tracking. There is an area of storm activity just to the east of the Caribbean. Has a 90% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone or tropical storm later on tonight or even on Monday. The fortunate part of it is the forecast models are taking it more back and northeast into the Atlantic rather than through the Caribbean and into the Gulf. So it doesn't look like we have big chances to see a storm system out of this, but we are tracking it very closely. Forecast lows for tonight. That means temperatures only falling into the upper 70s. For tomorrow, we're going to top out over 100 degrees, a couple degrees over 100 anyway. Tonight in Austin, 77. For tomorrow, 104, their afternoon high. And look at our record temperatures for this week. The records as they stand now: 105 to 106 for almost every single day. And our forecast temperatures are going to be very, very close. So I won't be surprised if we break one or two record highs through this week. You notice our mostly sunny skies continue all the way through next weekend.